I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight in a Ford Fusion. Begin by parking your car safely and turning off the engine. You'll need a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and your replacement bulb. Always wear gloves to protect your hands and avoid touching the new bulb's glass. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. You'll typically find two 10mm bolts on top. Remove these, along with any plastic clips. Gently pull the assembly forward. Be aware that some models may require partial bumper cover detachment for full access, so proceed with care and look for additional hidden fasteners or electrical connectors. With the assembly accessible, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing its tab. Then, twist the bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it straight out. Carefully insert your new bulb, twisting it clockwise to lock it in place. Reconnect the electrical plug firmly. To finish, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its mounting points, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall all the bolts and clips you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. This ensures your vehicle is ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.